Hello, fellow developers. Welcome back to Quick Dev. In this video, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of HTML elements. More specifically, we'll be looking at a few examples, and I'll explain each line of code with comments. Let's get started. In HTML, a comment is a way to include notes or annotations within the code that are not rendered by the browser. It is useful for providing explanations, making notes, or temporarily excluding code from being executed. In HTML, single-line comments are created using syntax like this. Notice that there is an exclamation point in the start tag, but not in the end tag. Here we have a simple piece of HTML code. But it's not just code, it's a language that communicates with browsers to render content on your web page. Let's break it down this example. This line creates a heading element h1, which is used for defining the main heading of a section or web page. The content inside the h1 tags, in this case, is "this is a heading." And this comment is providing a note for developers, indicating that the following code represents a heading element. Also, the other element in this code is p, known as paragraph element. This line creates a paragraph element p, used for grouping and structuring text content. Element A is an anchor element inside paragraph element P, used for creating hyperlinks. Here, it contains the text links and a placeholder ref equals hashtag. And strong is a semantic element for bold text. It wraps around the word bold. The last element in this code is image element. This line creates an image element img, used for embedding images in a web page. The src attribute specifies the image file source, in this case, image.jpg. The alt attribute provides alternative text for accessibility and is displayed if the image fails to load. The descriptive text is a descriptive text for the image. Overall, this HTML code demonstrates the use of three different HTML elements: h1 for a heading, p for a paragraph, and img for an image. Comments are added to each line to provide developers with information about the purpose of the code. It's a simple example showcasing the basic structure and use of elements in HTML. The heading, paragraph, and image are commonly used elements in creating content for web pages. You can see the output on the browser. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more web development content. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And hey, let me know in the comments below what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for joining me on this HTML journey. Remember, understanding HTML elements is a key stepping stone in your coding adventure. Keep coding, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video.